Oh, never mind.
Have you changed? I have no clue how my fat ass fits in here, but it does.
What if it was you? Oh. Ooh. You'll hear my whistle. Wait, I want to someone's phone. You look tight there, Michelle.
Mm-hmm.
Should I stop now?
Hey, Dad, so these things are... Oh, yeah.